What's up, EV Bike Rides? Hey, I put the 1500 watt rear kit on the back of this Tandem. This right here. I know I did a video already on it, but just in case a lot of people ain't see the other video, I put a 1500 watt on there. Just more speed on the back end I wanted. So we're gonna do a speed test on that today. Oh, somebody asked me why I don't never show my face. Tell me I must be ugly. I was like, wow, that's crazy. I ain't no pretty boy, but I ain't ugly. I can tell you that now. I ain't no pretty boy, but I ain't ugly. So let's get that straight right now. Yeah. So, yeah. We'll let the people judge that. So, yeah, that's me. I'm the EV Bike Riders. I did all these videos from the beginning to the end, so I wanted to show y'all who I am. It's me. But anyway, let's get back to this Tandem. We're gonna do a speed test on that. Yes, sir. We're gonna do that right now. Turn this thing on. I want to see how fast it go anyway with that 1500 watt kit on the back, and that's 1000 watt. It's 1000 watt kit on the front. So we gonna check that out. I gotta put something down. I ain't bring my book bag because I ain't want to. Alright, let's go. Let's ride down here. Alright, let's dance. Hot today. Happy Easter, everybody. Wanted to get that out the way too. It's hot on Easter. I don't know how fast I'm going, but hopefully the GPS is tracking it. No, I ain't going slow. My eyes are watering, and I got a what you call it on here. I got the pads on here so the air won't come through, and my eyes are watering. So, oh my goodness, I can barely see. Oh, yeah. Woo. That was nice. I think I passed my turn, yeah. Go back. Oh. It's faster than my last video bike. I did that with the 2000 watt motors. This guy's speeding here. Come on, man, go. I gotta watch the video, see how fast I was going, but it's they had my eyes watering. I got these glasses with the pad. I mean, they ain't real expensive, but they'll work. But yeah, my eyes were watering. They don't use water with these things, you know, when I'm riding. So I was going pretty fast. I gotta get another phone holder to put on this bike so I can see my GPS. Got my phone in my pocket. Let's see. See if I can record something. I was in my pocket. Shit. Oh yeah, rolling. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Get on the stretch. That's why I'm the best. Woo-hoo. Let's go. Mother. See if I can catch this car. He's speeding up too. I can tell. Yeah. He don't want me to catch him. It ain't costing me gas. Almost. Where you going? All right, don't get in the bike lane. What's up, man? Hold on, let me cut this off.